What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about this. Baby Doge just now crashed hard. The whole crypto market is just completely getting wiped out. Everything is down huge. We got Bitcoin down 26% in the last 7 days. Got 6.4%, 6.6% now in the last 24 hours, 11% in the last 24 hours with Ethereum. We got to talk about this because, this whole thing is going crazy and getting out of hand. But this is a huge opportunity. This is a really big opportunity. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's going to continue to rise. I really wish I had more money, but right now I'm just limited inside of my funds, so I can't even buy as much as I want. And I know a lot of other people are feeling the same way, but there's a huge opportunity for the people that have more money to buy. I'm going to try to put as much as I can in, but right now, just got to take a little step back. But we're going to talk about this. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. But yeah, if you like these Baby Doge videos, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And remember, if you become a member of the channel, I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all of your trading fees, definitely check out the Mexi Global link inside the description. So definitely check that out. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's go over it. So yesterday, in my video from yesterday, I pretty much talked about how we're going to do this in Baby Doge. I talked about how we're going to hit the support. And if we hit the support at a fast rate, we're definitely going to go below it. And that's exactly what happened. So literally, we kind of did it almost to a T here. But I thought it would have hit the support and then bounced back up. But really what it did, it broke the support and then immediately started to go down on a sharp downtrend all the way down here to about 9Z8. And then it went as low as 9Z83. So it really went like really low. We may continue to go down from here, which is something people don't want to hear. But right now, this is a good area of support. We're probably going to see Baby Doge trying to get back up here to the 1-2 area. But if we see that, we're also going to see some other cryptos in the crypto market recovering as well from Bitcoin and everything as well, pretty much trying to recover from these losses that we have. So lots of things are going on inside the crypto space right now. I mean, lots of people are selling out. The stock market is taking a huge dive downwards. We're literally pretty much we are facing the whole thing of that inflation. Like all of this is inflation. You got to think about how much money they just now printed into the economy within the last year. Literally almost half of the money circulating inside of our economy was literally printed last year. So you got to think about what this is going to do. Huge inflation. And yes, eventually the prices are going to reflect that. You're going to see inflated prices as well. So right now, this is a really cheap area to get in on crypto because you got to think how much money is now circulating. The money that you just now seen selling out, that's pretty much the whales and the large investors taking their money out. So then you take yours out as well. And they already got the profit. They just want you to sell at a bottom so then they can come in and buy at the very bottom, and then they're just going to keep running it up because you got to think about what they just now did. Literally, almost all of the money that people got from stimulus checks went into the pockets of all the biggest people, like all the biggest names in the world, the biggest financial institutions. All your stimulus check money went to them. You got to think about it. Where did your money go when you got your stimulus? You probably paid rent. You probably paid bills. You probably went and bought, stuff from I don't know where at Walmart. Like your money pretty much went to Fortune 500 companies, and on top of that, they also went to institutions, real estate moguls. They literally went to the top 1%, and now they're going to be dumping that money into the market when it bottoms out. So we're about to see these prices becoming heavily inflated for the whole overall crypto market. There's about to be a lot of money flowing into crypto. So this is literally like the calm before the storm. So you think this is bad? Just watch how it moves when it goes on the uptrend. That's going to be like a really nice uptrend. Just like how we just now dropped all of this money in crypto, all that money is going to start flowing back in eventually. So when you see it, it's going to be coming in so fast you're not going to even know what to do at that point. Like a lot of people are probably scared and just leaving crypto altogether right now. But this is a huge opportunity here. Anyways, I definitely think we're going to have a lot more money flowing into the crypto space. Baby Doge is definitely a very solid play here. We are down 32% for the last 24 hours. Baby Doge has hit this bottom support. Now it's about to try to come back up here. Now Bitcoin right now, we broke that 35K support. We broke 30,000 support, and then Bitcoin even went all the way down to 28K. Now Bitcoin is getting rejected again at this resistance. And since we're getting rejected at this resistance here with Bitcoin, it could show that we're about to go back on another downtrend. But what I think is going to happen, we're probably going to end up going back down to about 28K, and we're probably going to end up, maybe breaking that resistance. Now, this is like all speculation here because at this point, you can't predict anything in the market. That's why I'm trying to really resist from doing a technical analysis video right now. I'm making this more of a fundamental video about how crypto is going to do its recovery because you can't predict what's going to happen next. You just cannot do it. But what we do know is that we have major resistance at 35K. So if we were to start the rally, then we would probably get stopped at 35K. So that is what we do know right now. And if you also look at the oscillator, it's showing that the selling is starting to wane down. So we had way more selling like around the beginning of May, literally way more selling. And now you can see how that selling has waned down. So now that you've seen that it's not oversold so much, now it's becoming bullish. And you can see it here on the oscillator. We're having less selling. Now the buying is going to start flowing in. So this is kind of like the bottom. I don't want to say it's going to the complete bottom because we don't know, like I said. But the technicals are pretty much showing us that we could see a reversal soon. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, no, it's going to continue to go down, which is just not true. It's just not going to go down until it's at zero. It just doesn't work like that. But I definitely think we're probably going to have another a reversal. I don't know how big it's going to be, but hey, maybe we hit 25K and then we have that reversal. But at some point, there's going to be a reversal. So you want to be prepared for that stuff. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, another financial advisor. I can't predict anything in this market. It's really red right now, but this is a huge opportunity to buy. I wish I would have had some money on the sidelines. I have some in the stock market that I'm waiting for my options to play out. So when I see those options play out, I'll probably take that money and throw it in Baby Doge. I mean, there's huge potential right now with Baby Doge. And if you think about it, 915, if you put $1,000 in right now, let's do this math. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros now, 914. That's 1 trillion right now. So you can literally get 1 trillion Baby Doge if you put $1,000 into it right now. So there's a huge opportunity right now with Baby Doge. Just imagine if you had 10,000, you get 10 trillion. Just imagine that you get 10 trillion Baby Doge. Let's do this math here. We take your 10 trillion Baby Doge. Look at this. This is million, billion, trillion. And then you go ahead and you multiply by 61. That's our target price. So that's about $1 million at 61. Now, I know I've been saying we could get 61 by the end of the year. The only way this happens now, if we just have a massive reversal inside the crypto market, and then Baby Doge starts to get listed onto Binance and everything else, like as we go on. But if we don't get all those major listings and we don't get the crypto market just reversing and going very bullish, then we're not going to see 61 by the end of the year. And that's just me being honest, Hopefully we can. I really want to see 61 by the end of the year. But, this is what we got to work with. So we just got to be patient here. Now, like I said, let's say you have like 2 trillion Baby Doge. Like still at 61, that's a lot of money. You don't have 1 trillion. Maybe you only have 2 trillion. That's million, billion, trillion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 6Z1. That's still $200,000. So that's still a lot of money. Now there's huge potential here at Baby Doge. I'm not gonna just sit around and say we're just gonna go start pumping like immediately, but there is huge potential here. So just be patient, and eventually it'll pay out. Like that's all I can really say here, because a lot of people have sold out. A lot of people are never coming back to crypto. A lot of people bought at the top and sold at the bottom. But literally, when I say this, I believe we're at the bottom right now at crypto, or at least near it. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to kind of make it more of a fundamental video, but I know towards the end I just now started to go over a lot of technicals. But we're still getting more people inside of Baby Doge, and I guess all this selling is breaking Whale Watcher Finance, because you cannot get onto the Whale Watcher Finance website for nothing. So now you really can't track what's going on with like the burns and stuff. But just know a lot of coins are getting burned because there's a lot of sales. A lot of that money's flowing into liquidity. and a lot of it's going into reflections. If you check your reflections recently, you're going to see that it's up a lot. So anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And remember, I'll be going over all the cryptos for the members first. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.